Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I don't know if you guys have seen these cute little plushies. They are pretty new. It is from Cuutopia. How cute is this? This is my little Ewok. This is my collection. I love to collect a lot of things from Star Wars. I do have different toys as well, and I do love plushies. This guy is such a great addition. His name is Wicked. It's right on the tag. He's so squishy and soft, and the detail on this is so cute. These are 10 inches tall. They have a really nice cushion stuffing inside. They are washable as well. I just love the little detail of his little feet and his little ears. It does have the stitching on the eyes, the mouth, and the nose, which is a really nice feature as well. You have all your little tags on it from Mattel. It's Star Wars. And like I said, these are the cute little stuffy Cuutopias. There's so many different kinds. The Star Wars ones are my absolute favorite, but that's just my point of view.